Hey guys, Sarah here from The Glitter Guy, and today we are going to break glass. I saw a picture online, like always. I thought it was really cool, so I'm going to try to make my own version of it. I have this picture frame here I just got from Target. It looked like when I looked this kind of art up that people paint the backing. I'm gonna wrap mine in vinyl because one, I have a ton of vinyl, and two, it's got these little holes in it. I don't ever watch a tutorial. I don't watch any tutorials. I looked at a picture and we're gonna figure it out from there. I'm just pulling the backing off this vinyl, taking my little squeegee, starting from the bottom and pushing all the air out. Now, if I did my math right, this should line up perfectly. There's like a little line, but because of what we're gonna do on top, I really don't think you're gonna see it, and maybe I can hide it. I can just get away with. And to make it nice and neat, I'm just gonna trim the top off. Nice, cut right through to the tape. Beautiful, let's see if it fits back in our frame. I need to seal the back of this because I want to pour epoxy on the other side. And when I do, it's gonna find every single gap that it can possibly slide into and then do that. These little tiny gaps can't possibly let 100% of our epoxies come out. All right. The moment you've all been waiting for. So, I'm just gonna throw this rag over this bottle. And then I'm just gonna hit it. I'm not ready.
Whack it.
It didn't break. All right, guys, let's see what we got. Any more big pieces? For the most part, I think it did what it was supposed to do. All right, guys, we are gonna mix up a ton of epoxy. Oh, let's get, this time, drill. Let's take care of some of these bubbles. So guys, I'm gonna leave this alone for the day. My ladle is kind of getting a little saturated, and before I hit the bottle, I was thinking I should seal that with some Mod Podge or some kind of sealer, but I didn't. But maybe the whole thing will saturate and then it'll all look the same consistency. I'm gonna leave this alone to cure, and then I'm gonna do another layer because these edges are still pretty sharp and I want the epoxy to go over them and kind of like dull them. So let's not spray any more alcohol on this thing. Leave it be. We'll be back tomorrow. Guys, it's the next day and it came out so good. There are definitely things that I will change for next time, and there definitely will be a next time because this was a really cool project. It leveled out really, really well since I let it sit overnight. 85 to 90% of the bubbles are gone. There are some pieces that are just going to stay super sharp, and if I had thought it out a little differently, I would have taken my Dremel and smoothed them out a little bit where they're like really sticking up. And I guess I'm gonna do the same amount of epoxy, why not? I love that this came out great. Maybe this was too much this time. Some of the pieces that were like not sticking up as much are kind of covered. Another thing I would do differently on my next one is the vinyl. I think the vinyl is too distracting, and I had a feeling it would be with the clear glass. Well guys, I think we are done here. I thought this was a lot of fun. I think that there will be more videos on this. I definitely want to do another one regardless if it's on a video. Again, some things that I would change is the way that I was taking the glass out and kind of like spraying both sides. I would definitely do more of that to make sure these little trapped bubbles came out. But when I held it up, you can't really tell. And no vinyl on the background. I think I would just do a solid painted background. And one thing that I didn't get to show you guys on camera, and I'm definitely not going to show you much now, is that it did not leak on the bottom. It leaked in this corner here, and I saw just this tiny little like bubble where I could have pressed it down a little more, and maybe that's where it leaked out. So with that being said, we're gonna bring this video to an end. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this one. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our channel so you can always see when we're putting out new videos, and I really hope that you enjoyed this one. If you guys do wind up making one of your own, post it in the Glitter Guy group or in Tumblr Hack so we can all see it, because I'm really excited to see if you guys do this, and have a great day.